how to replace your RAM and your hard drive. Just watch this video to the end. You will know how to do it by yourself. It's very easy. And when you are doing this, make sure you remove your battery from your laptop. So that's how to remove the RAM. This is the hard drive. You can see how to remove it. All right, it's very easy. This is a new one, the new hard drive where your informations, your data are kept. So this is how to do it. You can upgrade your PC by yourself. You don't need technician. You can upgrade your laptop. You can change the RAM, put a better one that will make your laptop to work fast, to work smart. We are in a smart age where everything needs to be. You see, it's working fine now. You can do it. Share this video.